Boston Dynamic Spot. The Boston Dynamic Spot is a versatile robot built to handle a variety of tasks. With its 4 electric legs, it can walk on different surfaces, climb stairs, and even open doors. Spot is equipped with cameras and sensors that help it understand its surroundings. This allows it to avoid obstacles and move on its own. You can also customize Spot with additional tools, like thermal cameras for night inspections or robotic arms for handling objects. It's perfect for hard-to-reach places, such as construction sites or pipelines. Spot is also used in safety tasks, like search and rescue missions. Researchers are finding new ways to use Spot in fields like robotics, science, and archaeology. With mass production already underway, the demand for Spot keeps growing. Its abilities point to a bright future where it could take on a wide range of jobs, from industrial work to security and research. Jiv VR Electric Scooter. The Jiv VR Electric Scooter is a standout choice for city commuters. Its sleek design and innovative features make it perfect for navigating urban streets. Built with a lightweight yet strong aluminum frame, the Jiv VR is powered by a 350W motor. This motor lets you cruise through busy streets with ease, reaching speeds of up to 25 km per hour. One of its best features is its impressive range. With a dual battery system, the Jiv VR can travel up to 50 kilometers on a single charge. This makes it ideal for longer trips without the need for frequent recharging. Safety is a top priority with this scooter. It's equipped with a strong disc brake and 10-inch pneumatic tires, providing a smooth and stable ride on different surfaces. For added convenience, the Jiv VR has a quick folding mechanism. This makes it easy to store or carry when using public transport. Bruder EXP-7. The Bruder EXP-7 is a mobile adventure vehicle that combines the best features of its predecessors, the EXP-6 and EXP-8, into a sleek and innovative design. It can accommodate up to 6 people, making it perfect for group adventures. With 1,245 watts of solar power, a 10 kilowatts lithium battery, and a 280-liter water capacity, the EXP-7 is ideal for extended off-grid journeys. Its dual-sided doors and integrated shower and toilet areas add convenience and cleanliness after outdoor activities. The two-way slide-out kitchen allows for gourmet cooking in the middle of nature, while the luxurious interior layout creates an elegant ambiance for relaxation. The EXP-7 is not just a vehicle, it's an invitation to extraordinary exploration for the modern adventurer. Hill Helicopters HX50. The Hill Helicopters HX50 takes luxury travel to a whole new level. It's more than just getting from point A to point B. It's about enjoying every moment of the ride. With a top speed of 160 miles per hour, this high-end helicopter ensures you can travel fast without sacrificing comfort. Inside, the HX50 is designed for relaxation. Its spacious cabin allows passengers to unwind, and the large panoramic windows offer breathtaking views of the world below. Whether it's a quick trip or a long-distance adventure, every mile feels special in the HX50. With a maximum range of 700 nautical miles, this helicopter can cover vast distances without needing frequent stops. This makes it perfect for remote getaways, allowing you to reach distant destinations in style. Although official pricing hasn't been confirmed yet, it's rumored that the base price will start around $595,000. So, for those seeking a combination of speed, luxury, and range, the HX50 offers an unmatched travel experience.
Introducing Chugzilla, a powerhouse tractor that might just share some roots with the mighty Draco airplane. This machine is a true beast, featuring a rugged track design and powered by a GM LS L94 engine, a reliable and robust engine that General Motors used in their SUVs and trucks around a decade ago. What makes Chugzilla truly special is how upgradable it is. The engine, already delivering a solid 403 horsepower straight from the factory, can easily be enhanced. Whether you're adding nitrous oxide, advanced camshafts, or turbines, the potential for power is endless. This means you can customize Chugzilla to suit your needs, making it stronger, faster, and more efficient with just a few tweaks. It's like having a blank canvas for DIY enthusiasts who love to tinker and optimize their machines. With its raw power and endless customization options, Chugzilla is guaranteed to provide a ton of satisfaction to its owner. Whether you're using it for heavy-duty work or just want to show off its impressive capabilities, this tractor is a game-changer in the world of heavy machinery.
Hiriko CityCar. The Hiriko CityCar is a revolutionary urban electric vehicle designed for short-distance travel and car sharing. Developed by the Hiriko Driving Mobility Consortium in collaboration with MIT's Media Lab, it offers a unique folding design to maximize parking space in crowded cities. The Hiriko CityCar comes in 3 variations: the Fold Microcar, the Ally Convertible, and the Laga Small Truck, catering to different mobility needs. It's designed to be part of municipal fleets, improving last-mile connectivity, particularly with Deutsche Bahn's railway services in Germany. Although the project faced challenges during its manufacturing trial in Spain, the Hiriko CityCar remains a visionary step toward sustainable urban transportation. It promotes smart, compact mobility solutions for the future. InMotion V14 Adventure. Introducing the InMotion V14 Adventure, a top-tier electric unicycle designed for thrill seekers and off-road enthusiasts. With a price tag of $3,299, this unicycle is built to handle the toughest terrains. The V14 Adventure packs a punch with its 4,000-watt rated motor and a 9,000-watt peak output. This motor delivers 2,000 Newton-meters of torque and 850 N of wheel tractive force, giving you the power to conquer challenging trails and rough surfaces. It has an impressive top speed of 70 km per hour, but for safety, it's limited to 25 km per hour. On a single charge, the 2,400 watt-hours battery can take you up to 120 kilometers. And when it's time to recharge, you won't have to wait long. Thanks to its fast charging technology, the battery can be fully charged in just 1 hour. One of its standout features is the dual suspension system. With 85 mm of suspension travel, you'll enjoy smooth, controlled rides even on bumpy terrain. The 3 to 12-inch off-road tires provide excellent grip, while the 50 degrees climbing angle lets you take on steep slopes with ease. For performance stability, the V14 Adventure uses the Raptor controller for smooth power delivery. Whether you're riding in rain or through puddles, you're covered with IPX6 wheel and IPX7 battery water resistance. Additional features like adjustable headlights, power pads, and a trolley handle make this unicycle even more practical for adventurous riders. If you're looking for a robust and powerful electric unicycle to explore the outdoors, the InMotion V14 Adventure is a solid choice. Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato. The Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato takes super sports cars off the pavement and into uncharted terrain. It's designed to deliver thrilling off-road performance while maintaining Lamborghini's signature style and engineering. This version features Lamborghini's advanced vehicle dynamics system, with Strada, Sport, and Rally modes. The Rally mode boosts traction on loose surfaces, making it perfect for adventures beyond smooth asphalt. The Sterrato is 44 mm taller than the Huracan Evo, with wider tracks and extra suspension travel for tackling rough terrain. Inside the cabin, the "feel like a pilot" concept comes to life. The driver sits in an adventure-ready cockpit, featuring a titanium rear arch, a 4-point safety harness, carbon fiber sport seats, and durable aluminum floor mats. Three-sided stadium, a cliffside marvel in Saudi Arabia. A breathtaking new design for the Qiddiya three-sided stadium in Saudi Arabia has been unveiled. Perched on a cliff with a stunning view of the Red Sea, this futuristic stadium is part of the ambitious Qiddiya Entertainment City project, which aims to transform the country's entertainment industry. What sets this stadium apart is its unique three-sided design, offering fans clear, panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, making the experience more immersive. The sleek, modern structure, with its sharp angles and gleaming white exterior, is set to become an architectural landmark in Saudi sports. The design brings fans closer to the action, creating an intimate atmosphere. At sunset, the stadium will glow with a dazzling light show over the Red Sea, promising an unforgettable experience for visitors and spectators alike. Robooter X40. The Robooter X40, priced at $3,500, is a versatile and stylish mobility solution. This intelligent 4-wheel power wheelchair has a smart, automatic folding design that collapses in just 3 seconds, making it easy to transport in any vehicle. Weighing under 92 pounds, it's lightweight yet durable, ideal for travel. Powered by dual motors, the Robooter X40 reaches a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour, and with a turning radius of just 29.9 inches, it's perfect for navigating tight spaces. The lithium-ion battery provides up to 15.5 miles of range on a single charge, making it suitable for longer outings. Equipped with robust safety features and backed by responsive customer support, the Robooter X40 enhances mobility for users of all ages. SMP Robotics S5.2. The SMP Robotics S5.2 is an advanced, autonomous security robot designed for indoor patrolling and surveillance. It comes equipped with high-definition cameras and powerful sensors. Thanks to its advanced AI algorithms, the S5.2 can navigate complex environments without assistance. This robot can detect and track intruders, making it an effective security tool. If it senses suspicious activity, it activates its built-in alarm system to alert you. The versatility of the S5.2 makes it ideal for securing a wide range of spaces, including offices, warehouses, and commercial properties. While the exact price may vary depending on the retailer and optional upgrades, the S5.2 typically starts at around $2,499. This makes it a cost-effective solution for businesses looking to enhance their security measures. For the most accurate pricing and feature options, it's best to contact SMP Robotics directly to get tailored information based on your specific security needs. PVY-Z20 Plus, the ultimate adventure e-bike. The PVY-Z20 Plus electric bike is built for adventure, ready to conquer any terrain with ease. With its fat, motorcycle-style tires, this e-bike effortlessly navigates through potholes, snow, and sand. Its triple suspension system absorbs shocks, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride on any surface. The Z20 Plus offers 3 flexible riding modes: pedal mode for exercise, throttle mode for pure electric power, and pedal assist mode that combines both for an easy ride. It can reach a top speed of 50 km per hour and offers a range of 50 to 120 km on a single charge, perfect for long rides and exploring new trails. Safety features include a bright front light and a brake light for better visibility. With its powerful 500-watt motor, the PVY-Z20 Plus is available for around $1,088 on AliExpress. Souk Livid Bull Series 1.0. The Souk Livid Bull Series 1.0 is a powerful 3-wheeled electric scooter built for performance and comfort. It boasts a top speed of 28 miles per hour and can tackle slopes of up to 30%, offering an exhilarating ride. With dual 2,500-watt motors and a robust 1,123 watt-hours removable battery, this scooter has a theoretical range of up to 37 miles, making it perfect for longer journeys. Its sturdy design features an aluminum alloy and steel frame, while the custom all-terrain inverted hydraulic front suspension and dual independent rear suspension ensure a smooth ride on various surfaces. Weighing 110 pounds and foldable for easy transport, the Livid Bull also includes front and rear LED lights, a colorful dashboard display, and advanced hydraulic brakes for added safety. This scooter is not just versatile, but also stylish, ideal for both urban commuting and outdoor adventures. Topmate ES35 Electric Tricycle. The Topmate ES35 Electric Tricycle, priced at $750, is a versatile and travel-friendly mobility option. Weighing only 35.5 pounds, this lightweight tricycle can support a maximum load of 22.5 pounds. Its compact folding design makes it easy to transport and store. Powered by a 250-watt motor, the S35 offers 3 adjustable speeds: 3, 7, and 15 miles per hour. It also features a user-friendly reverse function, making navigation agile and simple. The removable 281W lithium battery provides a range of up to 15.5 miles on a single charge, offering flexibility for longer trips. Zapata Flyboard Air, a glimpse into the future of personal flight. The Zapata Flyboard Air is a thrilling new personal flight device designed by Frankie Zapata. This futuristic hoverboard lets you soar through the skies at speeds up to 100 miles per hour and climb to impressive altitudes of several thousand feet. Powered by multiple jet engines, it's controlled by a handheld throttle, giving the rider complete control for smooth, agile maneuvers. This groundbreaking invention offers a glimpse into the future of individual air transportation, where flying solo could become as common as driving. Though still in the testing and development phase, the Flyboard Air has already turned heads with its sleek design and exciting potential. People all over the world are captivated by the possibilities it opens up for personal aviation, making it one of the most talked about innovations in modern flight technology. E-Bike White F1. The e-bike White F1 is raising the bar in electric biking with its powerful performance and sleek design. Equipped with a 2,400-watt motor, this bike can easily reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, offering an exciting ride every time you hit the road. Its 60-volt, 30Ah battery provides an impressive range of up to 70 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for both daily commutes and long-distance trips. The bike's lightweight aluminum frame is designed for strength and durability, while also ensuring easy handling. The advanced suspension system guarantees a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrains. A full-color digital display allows you to monitor key details like speed, battery life, and ride modes, giving you full control of your experience. Priced at around $4,000, the White F1 offers exceptional value for its high-end features. It delivers a remarkable blend of speed, range, and style, making it a top choice for electric bike enthusiasts.